Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be opening an envelope, which I got in the mail from Norton, W. Norton and Company, the publisher. This was a bit of a surprise to me, and I've already peeked to see what it's all about, because it was a shock, but it's kind of fantastic, so I want to look at it with you. Before I do, I need to preface this just a little bit. W. Norton, the Norton Critical Edition, is my hands-down favorite of all time. Everybody knows Norton. You always use them in all of your literature classes in school, in college. They're huge. They're so important. Not only that, but the Norton Critical Editions, which are novels or plays or other works of literature bound with all kinds of fantastic materials, are so much fun to teach from. If you're one of my students, you've probably had the experience of sitting in my classroom as I introduce a new book and how excited I get to walk through the book with you and all the good stuff that's in there. I'd teach everything from a Norton Critical Edition if I could. Whenever I have a book that isn't available as a Norton Critical Edition, I'm always, as I introduce it, say, unfortunately, this isn't a Norton. I mean, seriously, I love these books so much that I have actually had dreams that I was hanging out with the editors of some of these manuscripts. Maybe that's too much information. You know when you have stress dreams when you're studying too hard? In any case, today I got this package in the mail from them, and we just have to look at it together. Okay, so, as I said, I already opened and peeked a little bit, but I want to look through the whole thing with you. So on the front here, it says, recently discovered your YouTube videos about literature. Love them. Thought you might appreciate some decorations for your classroom. Please enjoy this assortment. Cheers, Thea at Norton Criticals. And we have dolphins, and we have dolphin stationery, and it says, "Pretend this is Moby Dick." That is awesome, Thea. You're an amazing person, and I'm so excited. And here's a catalog of all of the different Norton Critical Editions. Super awesome. Here is a bookmark, a magnet of Metamorphosis. I've always wanted to do videos over Kafka's Metamorphosis. It's such a phenomenal story. A poster. Romeo and Juliet. Romeo and Juliet. Look at the graffiti emphasizing the fact that Romeo and Juliet is the classic story of youthful passion. Awesome. And this looks like another poster. Oh, cool. Look at this. Literary villains. A periodic table of literary villains. Awesome. And they're arranged by type of evil, from limbo, lust, greed, anger, violence, fraud, treachery. Sounds like a Dante-esque kind of organization there. From Mephistopheles to Count Dracula to Lady Macbeth and to the Queen of Hearts. Oh man, Mephistopheles. Where's Mephisto in here? Yeah, he's down here under treachery. We get the Dr. Faustus version of Mephistopheles. Roger Chillingworth, Grendel and his mom. That is so fantastic. Thea and team at Norton Criticals, I can't believe that you all have checked out my YouTube channel and that you complimented me on it. That is blown my mind. I am swooning. Thank you so much for taking the time to compliment me on it and to send me this awesome stuff. I'm super excited to hang it up in my classroom. I will be very proud to have your posters in my classroom. And hopefully I'll continue to make good videos and can, of course, continue to use your wonderful books. I appreciate all that you've meant to me through the years since my college days. Thank you. Big heart for Norton. And a fantastic surprise. Here's to loads more fun discussion of literature. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Oh, they have Howl's Rise of Silas Lapham. I've taught that before, so much fun. I definitely need a critical edition of that. I could spend all the money on this.